Okay, lean back, trust me. Never trust anyone else. But when buying a truck, please trust me. Hello, boss. I'm the truck seller. New arrival, profit big truck. Let's measure the cargo box. 9.6 meters long. Check the interior. Nah. Oh my God! Super spacious interior. Super big. Oh, plus 2 beds. Just like a mobile hotel. What? Tomato. Over. Oh look. ZF 9-speed gearbox automatic transmission. So beautiful. Oh, look. Track tablet plays music.
Hey Jerry, what are you doing? Hey.
Oh my God, close the music. Speakers is so good. Get the water power. Let's go. I'm Dr. Jerry. Be quiet. Shh. Cummins 360 horsepower engine. Do you like Cummins? Insane power. Let's go. Hello, boss. Look, a 3.5 Foton Auman DTL. It's super new. Only $35,000. How look? Every truck in our shop is export ready. Like my trucks. Hit me up. I'm Jerry. 恭喜发财.